Hey guys, I'm in the car right now on my way to get an oil change. Lamb is back there behind me in his car so that he can take me home after and I don't have to wait there, because obviously who wants to wait in a dealership while they're getting an oil change? That is boring, and I'm pregnant. Coronavirus, no thanks. But yeah, I'm on my way now. Don't want to vlog too much because I'm driving, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. We just dropped my car off. Just found out that they're covering the oil change, which is nice. But now we're driving by some of these cars. I just want a bigger car. No rush, but I'm obviously having a baby soon. Something bigger and safer. So we're just driving by these cars.
Window shopping.
Yeah, we're window shopping. There's like a newer RAV4 that came out recently, which is nice. But also my lease on my car doesn't end until not this November but next November, so they're going to probably even have something even better by then, honestly, when I'm looking to buy. So we're just kind of just checking out some options. I'm not looking to spend too much money, obviously. Who wants, I mean, I'm not rich. I was gonna say, who wants to spend money on a car? But everyone does. But anyway, not rich, just want something safe.
You wouldn't gotta get this year's model.
Wow. So it's been quite a while later. We just stopped in Chinatown to visit Lamb's mom. She's doing well, which is nice. He also picked up some food for him. I didn't really want any like rice or noodles, but I did want some of these Vietnamese dishes that I've been craving for forever, but the place that I know that where I can get them from was closed, but they're finally open again. I'll show you guys what they are later. It's hot outside, but my car's all done. It actually took like, I feel like, what was that, an hour? It was quick.
Oh, less than an hour.
Yeah, I feel like, okay, I dropped my car off. They said they're gonna call me in 15 minutes. I'm like, all right, cool. They called me 2 minutes later. Like, we were still in a lot before they even called me. And then they called me like half an hour after, I feel like, and was like, oh, your car's done. And I was like, oh great, I'm not home, so is that okay? And they're like, I just have to pick it up by 6 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now. Anyway, we're going to go get some gas for Lamb's car, and then I don't know, I guess getting my car and going home. After that, I'm gonna just cool down because it's hot, chill, do some more laundry because I have plenty of laundry left to do still. So I wanted to go to Marshall's because the one by me is open again, but I think I can wait, or I'll decide later if I do want to go. As I finally got my car back, I'm in it now. I'm heading back to my house so I can eat those Vietnamese dishes that I bought. Sorry about the music. I'd like to listen to classical music in the car because it's supposedly supposed to help with baby's brain development. I don't really think there's any science to back it up. That I've read that somewhere, but it still feels nice. And I noticed that when I do listen to classical music, it really relaxes me in the car. Like, I feel like my road rage isn't that bad, and I'm being serious, because I noticed like me just being patient with other cars, which is nice because road rage can really take a toll on you. It can literally consume your entire day. Trust me, I know. But anyway, I'm like super close to the house now. I'm sure Lamb is there already. Also, I wanted to say that I used a new lotion this morning that I got from Walmart last night, and it has SPF in it, which is nice because I want to protect my skin. But I feel like it's making my eye burn. Like, I don't know if some got in there a little bit, and it's literally making my eye burn like all day. It's not intense, but it's a little irritating, and I can't think of what else it could be. But I didn't touch my eye with it on, so I don't know. It hurts a little bit. Okay, so here are the two dishes that I got from the Vietnamese bakery. These are like mini little rice cakes, and they have like, what's the yellow stuff? Beans.
Mung bean?
Mung beans and like a shrimp powder, right? The orange stuff. It doesn't sound good at all, but it's great. It's one of my favorite things ever. Like, I literally would eat this all the time as a kid. And then these are called, oh, this is called bun bae. I don't know if I said that. This is called bun bok lok, and basically it's like tapioca. I opened this one for you guys to see. Tapioca with shrimp and pork inside, and then they're wrapped in these banana leaves. So I am in the bedroom now. Liam and I tried to go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, but TJ Maxx had a line and Home Goods or Marshalls, whatever, had an even worse line. So yeah, and God forbid any man stands in a line, am I right? So I might try to go tomorrow. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the steps. Beside me on my left hand side, you guessed it, 2 loads of laundry. I have 1 load of whites in the wash right now. Those will be put in the dryer soon, and then that's it. I'm done all the laundry in the entire house besides like 4 pieces of clothes that we wore for the last 2 days. But yeah, that makes me so fucking happy. I'm gonna get started on this clothes now. It looks like a lot, but it's not actually not that much this time. But then I also have to wash all the towels and sheets. This lighting, by the way, is stunning. Like, look how beautiful. It's like golden hour, kind of. Anyway, I'm out of breath. Just ran up the steps. I need to drink some water because yesterday I barely drank any. I like barely even drank 2 bottles of water, which is not a lot for me at all. But we were like out and shopping all day. I just didn't want to have to keep peeing, even though I had to anyway. So today I need to make up for that. This bin right here is from Walmart, and it's so nice. It fits in here perfectly. If you can see, if I push this back, there's lots of room, but if I push this back all the way, like, this is all the space it has. So it fits in there perfectly. It's like $10 for each one. Vanna found me 4 in store, and I ordered 4 more to fit the rest of the cubbies, but I just swapped one out real quick to see how it looks. It looks so cute. I love it. That one is actually where my underwear go, and I'm gonna like go through them real quick and see which ones I want to get rid of, I guess, because I have so many. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this load of laundry now so I can get it out of the way. Let's get it started. I already don't want these. These thick bands, they cut into you. Well, me at least. And then it gives you like weird like rolls through your clothes. See ya. We are going on a walk. It's a little bit late and the sun's probably gonna set soon, but I just need to get out the house a little bit. Enjoy my life a little bit before I go back to work. These are the comfiest shoes I own, by the way. These are the Ultra Boost.
Uncaged.
Ultra Boost Uncaged. So anyway, you have a key?
No?
We're going for a walk now.
Oh, what keys are in? Yeah. Look.
Where's mine for real? I feel like I haven't done a belly shot in a few days. I could be lying, but here's the belly. We just got done from a 3-mile walk. That was really nice. We like went through a neighborhood we've never walked through before. Seen 3 deer staring at us.
That's fake.
The eyes. Huh? No, it's not. 4 more eyes. That was awesome. But yeah, I just had like a little snack. Now I'm gonna finish folding the last load of clothes, I believe. I have to wash the towels and the sheets, so. But the clothes is done at least, and that is all I could ask for. Guys, We're cleaning out our closet. Well, he's cleaning out his closet. We have a whole box of donation things for the Goodwill. I'm so close because I don't have on any clothes. Future me popping in real quick. I'm editing the video and I realized I never filmed an outro. Basically, for the end of the night, we just finished cleaning out Liam's closet, so that is all done. We put everything that he wanted to donate into a box. I didn't get to finish my side. There's so much stuff that I still need to go through, but we had a really good start. After that, we just showered and went to bed. So I wanted to end the video properly. Yeah, we kind of got caught up just laughing at all the clothes that he owns. It was a long story, but anyway, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.